Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So you've just learned how to say hello and goodbye in my last video. But now what do you say? What do you say to avoid that awkward silence? Stay tuned and I'll teach you how to say how are you and what to answer back in French. Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. I'm Nat, your French teacher. If you're looking to learn some French, maybe work on that oh so tricky French pronunciation or expand your vocabulary, then you've come to the right place and I'm really glad that you're here with me. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button or ring the bell to get notified for any new French lesson videos coming out. All right, now let's get into the lesson. There are different ways you can say how are you in French, depending on if you know somebody very well, not so well, if you want to be more formal and polite, or if it's somebody you know super well and, well, you don't need to be that polite, okay? Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is pretty informal. You would say with, anybody you knew pretty well. It's comment ça va, okay? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Okay? À ton tour, répète. Good, very good. Another way you could say it, and it's the same thing, it's also informal, would be comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Okay? À ton tour, répète. Good. Comment vas-tu? Very good. Okay? The last informal one would be ça va? Ça va? This is super informal. It's very short. You would say this with somebody you knew very well. Okay? So it'd be ça va? Ça va. Okay? Vas-y, à ton tour. Good. That one's pretty easy. It's pretty short. Okay? So the last one we're going to look at is much more formal. So this is a polite way of asking, how are you? So in this case, we would say, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? It's the vous that makes it polite, okay? Vous is used for either talking to a group of people or to one person, but in a very polite form. So let's go over it again. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Okay? À ton tour. You try. Good. Okay, so the four we went over is comment ça va? Comment vas-tu? Ça va? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Okay? Good. So just keep practicing them and they'll start coming out super easily for you, okay? So the next section we're going to go over are appropriate responses if somebody asks you how you're doing, okay? Depending on how you're feeling. So let's go over a few. The first one is fine. If you wanted to say fine in French, you could say bien, bien. Or you could say ça va. Okay? So let's start with bien. So bien, bien, bien. Okay? À ton tour. Good. Or you could say ça va, ça va. Okay? À ton tour. Good. Very good. Okay. So the next one could be I'm doing well. So if you wanted to say I'm doing well in French, it would be ça va bien. It's basically combining the two previous ones, okay? Ça va bien. Ça va bien. Okay? À ton tour. Go ahead. Good. Very good. So the next one is not well. It's not going well, okay? Hopefully you're doing okay, but if you want to practice saying not well, you would say ça va mal. Ça va mal. Ça va mal. Okay? You try. Your turn. Okay, good. You know that one pretty good. Good. So if you wanted to say so-so, I'm doing so-so. So-so in French you would say comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. Usually we'd say it a little fast, but if you said it properly, it would be comme si, comme ça. Okay? À ton tour, vas-y. Good. Very good. Okay, so the next one is if you wanted to say, I'm fine, you could say, je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Okay? You want to try? Vas-y. Good. Very good. Okay. The next one is if you wanted to say, not bad. Not bad, you could say, pas mal. Pas mal. Pas mal. Pas mal. Okay? You want to try? Go ahead. Bien. Bravo. So I just want to let you know, again, a little side note of information. So in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, I think instead of saying pas mal, normally people would say pas pire, pas pire, pas pire. But again, pas mal works internationally. We would understand clearly what you're saying. So please work with that one. The only reason I'm telling you is that if you're, traveling in Montreal somewhere and you're like, pas pire, and you're like, what does that mean? Natalie did not teach me that expression. I just wanted you to recognize it, okay? So, pas pire. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So if you wanted to say nothing new, in French you would say rien de nouveau. Rien de nouveau. Rien de nouveau. Okay? You want to try? Vas-y. Good. Very good. That first one's a little hard, eh? The rien. You have the R in there and the yen. Rien. Rien de nouveau. Good. Keep practicing. It's going to get easier, okay? I think another expression that's used here often would be rien de neuf. Rien neuf. Rien neuf. We say it very fast. We speak fast here. But you would say rien de neuf. Again, keep the rien de nouveau. But if you're traveling here and you hear rien de neuf, at least you're going to recognize it, okay? All right, so the last expression is and you. If you wanted to ask somebody how they're doing, you would say and you. So in French, there's two ways of asking. There's a formal, polite way, and there's a more informal way of asking, okay? So the more informal way, you would ask with a friend or a close person that you know. You would say et toi. Et toi. Et toi? Okay? You try. Good. Very good. If you want it to be more polite, a little bit more formal, or if you're speaking to a group, you would say et vous. Et vous, okay? So vous, again, we're using it as a polite way of asking somebody how they're doing, okay? Et vous, okay? You try. Bravo! Bravo! On a réussi la leçon. On a terminé. We're all done for today, guys. So don't forget to check the show notes below. I'll include a cheat sheet of the words or the phrases that we reviewed today, and it's a free download, so don't forget to check that out. Okay? Donc, la question de la journée. Question of the day. I'm curious, where are you planning to use all this French that you're learning? Are you traveling somewhere? Or are you just learning for fun? Please let me know below. I would love to hear from you. All right? Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Merci les amis!